Hi everyone, my name is Shifa Saltagi Safadi and I am the author of Getting Between, the National Book Award winning novel and verse, as well as Sisters Alone, my second novel and verse about two sisters stuck home alone in a blizzard. And today's tip, I want to talk a little bit more about figurative language. We did discuss personification in another video, and today I wanted to talk about metaphors in particular and stacked metaphors. So I actually heard the author Amber McBride use this in an interview she did about stacked metaphors and how metaphors are stacked in a stanza to bring meaning, and multiple metaphors are used to bring, they're related to each other and they bring that meaning to life within that poem. And I couldn't stop thinking about it afterwards. And so every novel and verse I read after that, I've been looking through stacked metaphors. Today's book that I want to use as an example of a stacked metaphor is Once in a Blue Moon by Sharon G. Flake. And I am using the example of page 280, and the poem is called Tick-Tock. The sky is a clock, a pocket watch. Tick-tock. It'll tell you when to plant corn or tobacco, when rain, locust, or drought is due, high tides too. Sailors knew, like Gran knows, like I know, look to the sky, the planets, the moon, the sun, for the best time, the right day or month to do what needs done. Like sail to the other side of the world, plant a juniper tree for somebody you love, get to the ocean in time to catch the moon working. I sets my watch by things above, it ain't quit ticking on me yet. Those Gran's words. So as you can see, this whole poem uses stacked metaphors and descriptions to show how the sky is a clock, right? That metaphor is telling you the sky is a clock. That's how the poem starts. And immediately you're given tick-tock, pocket watch. So you're given that imagery and it stacks those metaphors over each other. It's a clock, it's a pocket watch. And you start seeing how. And the author explains how, the sky can tell you when to plant, when rain is coming, high tides as well. You look to the sky and see the planets, the moon for the best time that tell you the day, the month, like sailing and planting, and the ocean, and tides are in the ocean as well, and to catch the moon working. So the moon and tides are related. And so you see every single line reinforces this metaphor of the sky being a clock, of the sky telling us time and times of certain things, of what to do for the best time, the right day or month to do what needs done, as the poem says. And Gran's words of I set my watch by things above, it ain't quit ticking on me yet, is a beautiful way to end this poem with a metaphor, again, reinforced. All of them are stacked, like I said, and it shows that, the grandmother, her watch is the sky, and the sky doesn't stop moving. It doesn't need a battery. It doesn't stop ticking. And it's a wonderful way to complete this stacked metaphors in this poem and bring to life the imagery of the sky being a clock. And stacked metaphors are so useful for defining things, for explaining things, for really showing the reader what the main character means by something. And I hope you try stacking metaphors in your own poems. Try starting with a metaphor like, something you love, like ice cream tastes like magic, and then defining what it is about ice cream through stacking more metaphors and more definitions. And I hope you enjoyed today's tip and you try stacked metaphors in your own writing. Thank you so much.